Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician's channel, and today we're going into another tool heads crate. This is month 3. If you haven't seen any of my previous videos on these, I have 2 more obviously since this is month 3. This is a crate service for tools and stuff created by Rust Belt Mechanic and JRC54. I'll link their YouTube channels down in the description, as well as the website if you would like to sign up for this. And I believe month 1 was decent, month 2 really got better, and we'll see what's in month 3. Now the pricing for these are going to be around $35, and then plus whatever shipping and handling fees to get it to your location. But lots of good things. Once again, thank you Rust Belt Mechanic and JRC54. You're doing great things, and their kind of motto is cheap box, better stuff. They spend less on the packaging and more on what's inside. So let's see what this month's kind of theme is. So once again, you'll get your little letter from them, which they kind of personalize and include some information on everything. And then just some information on the stuff included and the companies included. Here's a sticker or decal, whatever you want to call it. Keep it clean, Grease Monkey tool heads. Microfiber towel. Those are always handy to have, especially with this month's theme. Obviously you kind of see that it is geared around cleaning supplies. So in here you also have a SP Tools bottle opener. So you guys might have seen the one I actually have from Carlisle. Really cool, little 8mm. Well, here they include a stubby wrench bottle opener with a little keychain on it so you can carry it on you. That's kind of cool. Then they include a couple of the Grease Monkey wipes, all natural degreaser, a parts cleaning brush, whether you're using brake clean or solvent or anything like that, these come in really handy when cleaning parts. Then you have a 3-piece mini brush set, which includes the brass, nylon, and stainless. You have a nail brush for cleaning your hands. These are really nice as well. Next up is the Zolex hand cleaner. Kind of some crazy looking stuff. We'll have to give that a try. And then we also have a couple of cards in here that share some of the information of the products that are in the box. Then you have this bottle of the box cleaner, which is your toolbox cleaner. It is a waterless wash and wax. So that's actually really cool. I'm sure a lot of people will love that, especially those people that like to keep their toolboxes clean and are always wondering what's best to use. We'll see how this works. Maybe I'll do a video on this and see how that goes. And then last up, like usual, they always include some apparel. Once again, tool heads on the front. And then on the back this month, we have a Grease Monkey. Dirty mouth, clean tools. I like it. Once again, thank you so much, Rust Belt Mechanic and JRC54. Really enjoying this crate service. I think you're going the right direction with it. I like how you specialize in something every month. It's a little bit different every month, and it continues to get better and better. So please keep up the hard work. And I look forward to the next crate service. And I really hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys think of the products inside. Once again, I'll link their YouTube channels down in the description. And I will link the website down in the description if you're interested. Once again, $35 a month. They also have different payment plans and stuff like that. So if you're interested, check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.